Assalamualaikum and good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and super. और ईद कैसी गुजरी है सब बच्चों की? नए नए कपड़े पहने हैं सबने ईद में? मुस्तफा, ईद में नए कपड़े पहने थे आपने? और जावियार, आपने भी पहने थे? ओके। मैं आप लोगों की इंग्लिश की टीचर हूँ। मेरा नाम है मेरा नाम है मिस जलवा और मैं आप लोगों को आज इंग्लिश पढ़ाऊंगी। क्या पढ़ाऊंगी? इंग्लिश पढ़ाऊंगी। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? हम रिफ्रेशमेंट के लिए इंग्लिश पॉइंट करेंगे, अल्फाबेट्स पॉइंट करेंगे। ठीक है, तो सब मेरे साथ पॉइंट पढ़े। ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी। मेरे साथ पढ़े शाबाश। ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V X Y Z. Very good, very nice. Okay, class. You all have books. सबके साथ books है. All of you show me your books. Show me your books, शाबाश. Zavia, you have book. You have English book. Show me your book. Well done, Ahmed. Well done. Zavia, show me your book, शाबाश. मुझे book दिखाए. Show me your book. Zavia, sit properly and show me your book. Zavia, बच्चे मुझे book show करे, शाबाश. Book दिखाए. Okay, now आज हम न्यू हर्फ नहीं पढ़ेंगे बच्चे। आज हम क्या करेंगे? आज हम रिवीजन करेंगे क्योंकि हॉलीडेज गुजरी है ना, ईद हॉलीडेज। तो मैं आप लोगों के साथ रिवीजन करूंगी ताकि आप लोगों को कुछ याद आ जाए। ठीक है, तो ऑल ऑफ यू ओपन योर बुक्स। ऑल ऑफ यू ओपन योर बुक्स बच्चे। Okay, now tell me which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. Amna Shah, you have book? Show me बच्चे. Amna Shah, show me your book. Amna Shah बच्चे मुझे book show करे. You have? आपके पास है? Okay, all of you look at me. Okay, सब अपने मोबाइल को, अपने कैमरेस को देखे और सुने लेंगे. Which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. Amna Shah, which letter is this? A. Say A. Say A. Zavian, which letter is this? A. Zavian, बच्चे sit properly. Sit properly. And look at me. और मेरी तरफ देखिए. ठीक है? A. Which letter is this? A. And A says A. A says Ahmed Mustafa. A says A. A says अपना माउथ जो है वो ओपन करें. ओपन योर माउथ. A. A says A. And what is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. And class, tell me what is the color of this apple? Red. What is the color of this apple? Red. What is the color of this apple? Red. Say red. Apple. 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 Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Arrow. What is this? Arrow. What is this? Arrow. In class, tell me, arrow पे हम क्या करते हैं? जब कोई शिकार करता है ना, जब शिकारी शिकार करता है बर्ड्स की, लाइन की, तो किस चीज पे करता है? एरो पे। किस चीज पे करता है? एरो पे। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? ant. What is this? Ant. What is this? Ant. What is this? Ant. And tell me, what is the color of ant? Red, black. Red, black. What is the color of ant? Red and black. And ant have two eyes. How many eyes? Two eyes. How many eyes? Two eyes. Okay. Now what is this? Alligator. What is this? Alligator. Alligator. What is this? Alligator. In class, tell me, alligator कहाँ पर होते हैं? Water में. कहाँ पर होते हैं? Water में. Okay. Now all of you turn your page. Okay. Now which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. Which letter is this? B. And B says book. B says book. जावियार आप नजर नहीं आ रहे बच्चे. B says book. Do the action. B says book. He says book. And what is this? A balloon. 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 And tell me, what is the color of this balloon? Orange. What is the color of this balloon? Orange. Okay. What is this? Banana. What is this? Banana. What is this? A banana. What is this? Banana. What is this? Banana. Okay. Now, Urva, tell me, what is the color of this banana? It's orange or yellow? Yellow. What is the color of this banana? Yellow. What is the color of this banana? Yellow color. Good. Okay. Now, what is this? A basket. What is this? A basket. What is this? A basket. Mustafa, look at me. What is this? A basket. और basket में हम क्या डालते हैं? Basket में क्या होता है बच्चे? Fruits होता है. क्या होता है? Fruits होता है. और क्या क्या होता है? Vegetable. और क्या होता है? Vegetable. आप लोगों की मम्मा basket में fruits डालती है या vegetable? You have basket in your home. आपके घर में basket है? You have basket in your home? Good. Okay. Now what is this? A board. What is this? Afan, where are you? Sit properly. Good. What is this? A boat. और boat कहाँ पर होता है? जमीन पे होता है कि water में होता है? Water में होता है. कहाँ पर होता है? Water में होता है. Good. Okay, now all of you turn your page. Which letter is this? C. C. Which letter is this? C. And she said, K. She said, K. And what is this? Cat. What is this? Cat. And how many eyes? Cat have 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. Okay. Now what is this? Cat. What is this? Cat. और हम कौन से फंक्शन में केक खाते हैं? कौन मुझे बताएगा? जब बर्थडे होती है तो हम क्या काटते हैं? केक काटते हैं. क्या काटते हैं? केक काटते हैं. Cat. What is this? The cat. What is this? The cat. किसको पसंद है? Who like cake?
Me.
Who's like cake? Davya, sit properly, बच्चे. And what is this? The cup. What is this? The cup. और कप में हम क्या पीते हैं? टी पीते हैं. और क्या क्या पीते हैं? वाटर भी पीते हैं ना वाटर.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? The candle. The candle होती है तो हम केक के ऊपर हम क्या रखते हैं? कैंडल. कैंडल रखते हैं ना उर्वा केक के ऊपर.
Yes, ma'am. Light.
Very good. What is this? A candle. Good, good. A candle. Okay. Now all of you turn your page. Turn your page. Very nice. Turn your page. Okay. Which letter is this?
Yeah, the D.
D.
The D. That's what.
Which letter is this? D. And D says D. D says D. D says D. The dog. What is this? The dog. What is this? The dog. आप लोगों के घर में डॉग है? किसके घर में डॉग है? Raise your hand. अफान आपके घर में नहीं है? Good. और किसके घर में नहीं है? Okay, now what is this? The dinosaur. Dinosaur. What is this?
Dinosaur.
And tell me what is the color of this dinosaur? Very nice. What is the color of this dinosaur? Green.
Green.
What is the color of this dinosaur? Green.
Green.
Good. Okay. Now, what is this? Or what is this, bache? The drum. What is this? The
drum.
Afan, what is this? The drum. Amna, bache, what is this? The drum. What is this? The drum. Savyar, what is this? The drum. And what is this? The dolphin. What is this?
That dolphin.
What is this? The dolphin. What is this?
Dolphin.
The dolphin.
Dolphin.
और मुझे कौन बताएगा कि डॉल्फिन कहाँ पर होता है?
Water में.
Very good. Water में होता है. Very well done. Okay, now all of you turn your page. Okay, now Afan, which letter is this? Afan, which letter is this? E. Which letter is
P.
this? E.
B.
B नहीं बची. E.
B.
E. E. Which letter is
B.
this? E. And E
B.
says it. E says
B.
it. E says it. And what is this? Egg. What is this? Egg.
Egg.
And egg हम किस टाइम खाते हैं? ब्रेकफास्ट में. किस टाइम खाते हैं? ब्रेकफास्ट में. And what is this?
Postman.
Elephant. What is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. Very good. What is this? Very good. And Afan, tell me
Elephant.
how many eyes in this elephant? Elephant के कितने eyes हैं? 2 eyes.
Two.
Very good. Very good.
Two.
2 eyes. Very nice. And what is this? Eagle. What is this?
Eagle.
Eagle. What is this?
Eagle.
Very good. And what is this?
Eagle.
Eye. What is this?
Eye.
You have eye. Afan, you have eye. You have eye. आपके पास किसके पास eyes हैं? Yes, you have 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. All of you touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Touch your eyes. Good. Okay, now turn your page. Which letter is this? F. Which letter is this?
F.
F. And
F.
S says for frog. For fish. What is this? For fish. And fish कहाँ पर होता है? Water में. कहाँ पर होता है?
Watermelon.
And what is this?
Watermelon.
For frog.
Frog.
What is this? For frog.
Frog.
And what is this? For flower.
Flower.
और आपको पता है ये फ्लावर का
Flower.
मौसम है. अच्छा, ये अभी फ्लावर का मौसम है. बहुत प्यारे प्यारे फ्लावर्स आएंगे ट्रीज में. For flower. What is this?
For flower.
And what is this?
For flower. Hands.
Hand. Very good. And what are these? Fingers. What are these? Fingers. 5
Fingers.
fingers. Fingers. What are these?
For
Show me your fingers.
fingers.
Show me your fingers. Show me your fingers. You have fingers. Very good. Very good, Urwa. Very good, Afan. Ahmed Mustafa, show me your. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Okay, all of you close your books. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, bache.